Hey everyone, hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you my current wash routine that I've been following from quite a while. So it's been a couple of weeks or a month or two that I've been using this method and I have been quite liking this. So from the title you already guessed it, it's going to be a mousse gel mousse technique. So if you are interested in watching my whole wash routine, stay tuned. And if you are a curly head and really like watching curly head related videos, make sure to subscribe down below because I make curly hair related videos. So without further wasting any more time, let's get into the wash routine. Okay, so first I like to pre-poo my hair just to prepare my hair before shampooing. So I take a bunch of oils and mix them in a bowl to pre-poo. So I mix aloe vera gel, then I use this castor oil, then I take this onion oil, lastly, I mix a sesame oil. So I take a bowl and mix all of them in it, and I also add vitamin E capsules. So recently I started using this vitamin E capsules, and you get 10 capsules for 30 rupees and you can get it from any chemist shop. So you can try it if it's really good for hair growth and all of that stuff. So I just use 2 capsules every time I wash my hair. So yeah, I mix all of these things in a bowl and then apply it and keep the pre-poo for around like 1 to 2 hours, not more than that because of my acne prone skin. So yeah, and all of these oils are my mom's, not mine. So I have taken all of her oils. So quickly I'm going to show you all the products that I'm going to use in the wash routine, and then we'll straight jump into my washroom for the routine. So first I'm going to wash my hair with this Arata shampoo. I'm going to wash my hair with this, and then I'm going to use this conditioner from Arata only. And then for the mousse gel mousse routine, I'm going to use this mousse. Earlier I had their curd enhancing mousse with second number of hold, but it got finished, so I thought I should order this one. This is the strong hold volumizing mousse extra volume with 3 hold. So I'm currently using this and I'm loving it, but there is no any huge difference with the last one. And for the gel I'm going to be using this Arata stronghold gel, and you can also use a white tooth comb to detangle and style your hair. So yeah, these are the products that I'm going to use. So now without wasting any more time, let's get into the washing. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the shampoo and I will take only 2 to 3 pumps of the shampoo. And if you are going to take more than 3 pumps of the shampoo, you are going to end up with a dry hair, so be careful. And I'm just going to focus on the scalp area and will not apply the shampoo on the lengths of my hair because lengths are not that dirty and will automatically get clean when I will wash off the shampoo. So now I've washed off the shampoo and now it's time for the conditioner. So I have squeezed out the excess water and now I'm taking the conditioner, and the conditioner is quite runny. So I will apply the conditioner nicely and then I will start detangling my hair. So first start with the bottom and then to the roots, and be gentle while finger detangling your hair. And then you can also use your white tooth comb or detangling brush to just detangle your hair nicely and to make sure no knots are left behind. And if you are a wavy or a curly head, do not dry brush your hair. Always detangle your hair when you are on conditioner. So now just I will firmly making sure that no knots are left and detangling my hair. So now I will make a bun and keep my hair for 5 minutes in a bun, and after that I will wash off my conditioner. So yeah, so I have washed off the conditioner and I'm just squeezing out the excess water from my hands only. So now I'm gonna take the mousse, and before using it make sure to shake it well, and then I will take a huge ball of this mousse and it's so satisfying. So now I'm just applying it in praying method, and then I will rake it just to make sure that it's evenly distributed everywhere. So do not forget your back of your hair and apply the mousse nicely and just rake it through. So now I'm gonna take the gel from Aratha. It's a stronghold gel, so I'm gonna take the generous amount of the gel and then I will apply it in praying method first, and then I will rake it through just to make sure it's distributed evenly everywhere and I'm not leaving any part of the hair ungelled, if that's the word. So now I'm just raking it through. You can also detangle your hair at this process just to your hair is fully untangled. So now I'm just going to take the mousse again, and then first I will glaze it over and then I will scrunch my hair nicely. So scrunch your hair very firmly and nicely. Don't be harsh on your hair, and do not forget to add mousse on the upper, like on the scalp area as well, because they tend to get dry easily. And I'm scrunching very nicely to till the scalp so that I don't get a flat root, and I have curls in the scalp area as well. So I'm just making sure that I scrunch beneath as well and on the upper section as well. So I'm just flipping my hair left and right just to make sure that I scrunch very nicely, and I'm just glazing over the mousse. So be firm when you are switching the sides. Don't be like flipping your hair this to this, otherwise you will create frizz. So yeah, I'm just scrunching and this is my final scrunched hair. So now you can just air dry your hair or diffuse, it's your choice. And if you are going to air dry it, make sure you are flipping sides firmly without creating frizz. Otherwise, if you will keep your hair in one position only throughout your drying process, your hair will be flat. So now it's time for wet plop. So I like to wet plop my hair. So I am taking my shower cap and I'm putting my all of the hair inside and going to plop for 10 to 20 minutes. So now after 2 hours my hair is dry. So I'm taking a lightweight oil, you can use any oil. So I'm just going to break the cast that I have. So it's SOTC time, it's one of my favorite. So now I'm just breaking the cast by praying methods and just applying the oils lightly everywhere just to avoid frizz, and then I'm just scrunching nicely and then just I'm wiggling my scalp for the volume. So yeah, that's my hair after all of this jazz. And I always struggle with partition, I don't know what to do with that, so I'm just wiggling just to find my right partition today. So yeah, I pretty like the result. It's voluminous, it will be more voluminized after a few hours, and they are pretty defined and I don't have that much of frizz. So yeah, I'm happy and I like this method very much because I don't have to use too much of product. Only 2 styling products I need, gel and mousse, and it's quite easy and it gives me voluminous defined frizz-free curls, and which last up to 3 to 4 days if I keep them in proper scarf and bonnets and all of that stuff. I don't have a bonnet, but I try to wrap it up in a scarf. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Hope you liked this video and found this video informative. And if you do so, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe and do share it with your curly hairs. And do let me know in the comments below that if you are going to try this mousse gel mousse routine, or if you have tried it and what's your take on this. So do let me know. And till then, bye.